Hi, this is Melody. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today I'm going to do another tiny little my grocery haul. So as you can see, I got some kale. So I got about 4 bags of kales. I believe they were like $1.30 or $1.29 each. Yeah, they go by the bunches. They do not go by the pounds. But you know, in winter, we must eat our greens because that's what keeps us good, okay? So I got this, just the noodles, called macaroni kind of noodles, but I don't use cheese and all that. I use just vegetable. So I cook it with some onion and vegetable. I can do a recipe one day and show you guys. It's very pretty simple, nothing fancy. And here I have chickpeas, my source of protein. Got a big olive oil. You know, winter we need to oil up the entire body, the head, body, oil for eating, oil for putting in the body. And these are for washing clothes. I do sometimes hand washing, so I use these for hand washing. And that's for cleaning kitchen, bathroom. That's my dishwashing liquid. I love washing dishes by hand, so yeah. And it's cheaper too, you know. Dishwasher, those soaps, they're pretty expensive, so washing dishes by hand is really good. I mean, we have done that all our life back home, so why change? And it was good exercise all the time. So here's some potatoes, and I got this one because my other one was not good, so I got a new one for doing my cooking. And I got a bread, and I got this papaya, which needs to be ripened. Those from the, just keep it wrapped up. So I got here 2 packs of sweet green peas. I do it with the cabbages. And I got some green beans, which I get every week. So here 2 packages, and I got this broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, 4 packages. And I have apples, gala apple, 2 packages, 4 of these cabbages. I'm gonna do some recipes and show you guys different kind of cabbage recipes. And a pack of, which I thought was oranges, was actually red grapefruit. So that's it for this week. See you next week. Bye bye. Have an awesome night.